Hello, I'm gonna play some Super Mario Brothers. Come on and let's go. Let's find Mario here. Yeah. Oh, why'd I do that? This guy's annoying. Ah! Oh boy. Oh boy. That was really close. Ooh, mushroom! Oh yeah, very good. It's me, Mario. Whoa! It's me, Mario. Yeah, ha ha ha! Eating the mushrooms. Yeah. Had to do it. I'm sorry. Sorry, Mario. You gotta be tiny. You'll see why. Grow up, man. Ah. Well, that took longer than I thought it would. Because I had to kill myself to be tiny. I'm not gonna waste that time going through all the levels. Sorry. I just don't like the levels. So I don't want to play them. You hear me? Ooh, yeah. Alright, this is the part where it gets hard. Okay. I was not thinking of jumping. That's what happened there. Oh! I actually jumped over that thing. It's coming up. It's coming up. I made up for it. Oh. Whew. I did it. I beat my record. Not. Holy moly. All kinds of shells before me. Oh! That's BS, man. Well, that's that. I suck at Mario, but hey, at least I beat my record. All right. What are you doing? What is it? Okay, anyway. There's only one way to do it, and it's to talk. What are you doing? Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So I didn't get on my computer. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. Y, and Z. All right. Oh, well, I had my beauty sleep. As you can see, my hair's all sticking up. I have this stupid shirt on. I don't know why I'm wearing this. Because it's red and blue. I like those two colors together. But it's an old man shirt, dude. That's why I don't like it. Yeah! What? So, anyway. Hope y'all liked the video. I wanted to see how far I could get on Mario. I'm not that good. But hey, whatever. Hope y'all enjoyed. I'm going to try and... I've been trying to get good at that game for a while, and I don't play it every day, so there you go. I'm working on everything, so I just got to enjoy life. And that's that. All right. Love y'all. God bless. Check the subscribe button. Press it. Make sure it's not red anymore. And then click the bell. Yeah, buddy. All right. Thanks. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. I'll see you next video. All right. Peace.